In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Miro. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF straight from your Miro board, perfect for presentations, reports, or handouts. Start by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your recent boards and options to create new content. From here, choose Create New to start something fresh. If you see multiple creation options, pick Board to open a blank workspace. This gives you a clean canvas to build exactly what you want to export. Before exporting, it's worth spending a moment customizing your board. Add your content, organize sticky notes, shapes, or images, and think about how you want the PDF to read. A helpful tip here is to use frames. Frames in Miro act like pages in your PDF, so each frame becomes a separate page when you export. You can name frames to keep things clear and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. Keep important content inside the frame boundaries to avoid anything getting cut off. If your board has a background grid or color you don't want in the final document, turn it off or change it now so the export looks clean and professional. When your board looks the way you want, locate the export controls. Look for the option labeled Export this board in the toolbar or menu. Click that and you'll see different ways to save your board. Choose Save as PDF. Miro may offer a few settings here, such as exporting all frames or selected frames. If you used frames to structure your content, picking all frames will turn each one into a page in the PDF, matching the order shown in your frames panel. If you only want part of the board, select just those frames before exporting. For boards without frames, you'll typically export the visible or chosen area. Confirm your selection, then let Miro process the export. Large boards with lots of images can take a moment, so give it time to compile. When the file is ready, it will download to your device. Open the PDF to double-check that text is readable, images look sharp, and pages are in the right order. If something looks off, like content getting cropped or pages not in sequence, return to the board, adjust frame sizes or order, and export again. That's it. You've created your board, customized it for clarity, exported it, and verified the result. With this workflow, you can quickly turn any Miro board into a polished, shareable PDF.